Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the John Lewis gift card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, the very first thing that you need to understand is that John Lewis and Partners gift cards are usually provided as a barcode or digital code, either through their email address or your account. However, Apple Wallet only supports passes that are officially enabled for the wallet integration. So you need to first of all start by opening your email account. After that, you just have to basically take a look at the digital gift card. When you're able to find it, you need to open it on your iPhone so that the barcode or the QR code could be visible. Now, when you do so, you need to look for this particular button that says Add to Apple Wallet. If you are able to find this particular option, simply tap on it. Then tap on the option of Add on the top right hand corner of the screen. This way, you will be able to add your gift card to your Apple Wallet in no time. Now, in most of the cases, John Lewis gift cards do not currently support direct Apple Wallet integration. That means you won't be able to see this type of button, and that's completely normal. As a result, the card cannot be added directly into your Apple Wallet. So in this case, instead, you need to access your gift card from your email and account whenever you want to use it. At the checkout, you just have to simply show the barcode, or you need to provide the gift card details for payments. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.